Do you want to know how you can log into your AI or your youchat AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your youchat or your you.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for youchat AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of youchat. Now, click on this icon which is you and you can see sign in over here. Go ahead and click sign in and you can continue with Google, Apple or your email address. If you want to continue with your email address, write down your mail over here. Click continue with email. Write down the 6-digit passcode sent to your email and then you can successfully sign in using your email address. If you want to continue with Google, go ahead and click continue with Google and select your email address or your Google address. After you choose it, go ahead and click continue to sign in to you.com, and in a while you can notice that you have logged into your youchat.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.